Manipur gi Rajya Sabha gi MP Laisemba Sanajaoba Manipur gi Khungang gi lamdamda All India Institute of Medical Science Aiims Hospital ama Thambinaba wafam ngasi Parliament ki mifamda House pukhatuna Union lenga ki pungning Taksinkhre ngasi Parliament mifamda special mention oina pukhatuna MP Laisemba Sanajaoba haikibada haukiba chahi khara asida leibaga sigi tongan ba mafam singda Aiims Hospital kun manga linkhat pangam kiba simak Prime Minister na luchingba NDA lengak asigi mai pakpa amani haina singthakhi MP na makha taraduna leibaga sigi mioi crore chamagani furom leiba sigi healthcare gi mathau taba sing fanghan bangam nanaba Aiims Hospital gumba hospital sing leibaga sigi kachin koya da hangdoktuna manung hanjin ba amadi khungang da leiriba miyam da ana layeng bagi khudong chaba fangnana ba honabada mathau tai masina khungang gi leiriba Khungangi lairaba miyoi singda afaba makhalgi ana layengi khudong chaba fanghanba ngamgani Manipur gi oinasu leiriba misinga yenglubada hauzik leiriba medical infrastructure asida awat pakaya leiri afaba ana layeng sang masing watpana miyoi kayana layengi damak atopa state singda chatpada sel thumgi khudong chadaba kaya mayoknari maramasina state asida ana layeng da khudong chaba fanghananaba Aiims Hospital ama linkhatba mathau tai asigumba institute ama thamduna Referral Hospital oiduna cancer amadi atai complex oiba laichat kaya layeng bada khudong chawa fangani haikhi maramasina Aiims Hospital ama Manipur ke khungangi mafamda linkhat pinanaba MP Laisemba Sanajaoba Union lenga ke pungning chingsinkhe
The present medical infrastructure in Manipur is also inadequate in comparison with population. Besides this, due to lack of expertise, hundreds of patients are going outside the state for medical treatment, facing economic hardship. By establishing an Aiims hospital in Manipur, quality and affordable healthcare facilities could be provided to the needy and poor rural peoples of the state. The institutes can be a referral hospital for the entire region, and specific research on cancer, which is very rampant in the state, and also complex diseases could be treated. So I urge upon the Union government to establish a full-fledged Aiims hospital in rural areas of Manipur to address the health care of the poor rural people of Manipur. Thank you, sir.